His Holiness Mar Ignatius Supreme II, Patriarch of Antioch and all the East, and His Beatitude, Mr. Basilius Joseph, the new Catholic Baba of Malangara Jacobits Syrian Orthodox Church of India. It is indeed a privilege for us to be here with you to witnessing this historical consecration ceremony. The government of Kerala and the Chief Minister, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, has taken this as a very great ceremony, and my delegation, myself and former Minister and MLA, Mr. Anup Jacob, and MLA Joe Michael, Mr. Tyson Master, and Mr. Eldo Abraham, and P.V. Sinajan, he is the local MLA of the headquarters of in a church, and senior bureaucrat Mr. Muhammad Hanish. On behalf of the Chief Minister of Kerala, the government and the people of Kerala, I would like to congratulate His Eminence, Mr. Basilius Joseph, and he is well known to us, His Excellency is well known to us for several years, as Mr. Alex, our former minister, correctly mentioned his simplicity and openness, and also his charitable work and education work is very commendable. And at this moment, I remember the contribution of Thomas Pradhavan Baba, who was the patriarch for more than 2 decades. And Baba sailed the ship with courage through the sea with wind and waves at very difficult times. I hope the legacy of the Baba will be continued. The dedication of His Eminence Mr. Basilius Joseph Baba, and on behalf of the government and the people of Kerala, once again I would like to congratulate and wish us all success for your endeavor and dedication. Thank you very much. One more minute. ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നും മലയാളികളായ വിശ്വാസികൾ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവർക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ ബാവയെ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു.